all on one level with spacious closets galore inside. Meandering paths through private nature's splendor outside. Longtime second owner did it right, architect redesigned and opened the interior, adding off the garage a heated/cooled office and a heated/cooled pegboard wall workshop and breakfast/Florida room. Welcome home to classic elegance. Living dining room combo with hardwood, crown molding and smooth ceiling. 23 by 15 den with gas log fireplace, raised marble hearth and surround. There is also a wet bar in the den. Kitchen features tile floor, 27 cabinets plus pantry, self-cleaning oven with convection, and 5-burner gas cooktop and thermidor vent hood with warming lights. Just think of all the amazing meals you can prepare in this fabulous kitchen. There is also a breakfast bar between the kitchen and breakfast room. Sunny and cozy breakfast room overlooks the gorgeous rear grounds and nature's wonder in the backyard. Convenient and useful butler pantry adds so much to your entertaining needs. Double stainless sink and 4 more cabinets in the laundry room, also with a hanger area for your use on wash day. This 6 by 5 room with built-in shelving was used as an office, or perhaps you would prefer more pantry space. This spacious master bedroom measures 16 by 15 and features hardwood, crown molding, and custom walk-in closet. Double sink vanity with makeup area in the master bath. You will be so pleased with all the space available for your storage needs. This room is located off the garage, and could be either an office or a media/playroom. Woodworker, hobbyist, etc.? Everyone will wish they had this space. Beautiful view of the home from your lush and private backyard.